Look at this fucking sky, people. Something's going on in the sky here. There's no thunder or nothing. That's not thunder and lightning because there's no thunder going on right now. Could that be heat lightning? The skies have been acting weird tonight. Wow. Whoa, now it's doing it over here too. Whoa. Oh, that ain't cool shit. This dude just blew a stop sign. Fucking idiot.
Damn, you're gonna kill us.
No, I'm not.
I'm gonna drive.
Nope.
Why?
You want to? So I can film? Go ahead. Just so y'all know, there's no thunder. I don't think that's real lightning. Because there's no lightning bolts. It's just pulsating a certain color, but you don't see any bolts. And there's no thunder at all. It's like behind the clouds. Whatever it is, you can see the clouds in front of it. Whoa, that one just lit up big time. And I missed it because that fucking church was in the way. Can't see nothing because all these fucking trees is pissing me up. Whoa! That one was big time. And I'm missing it all because these fucking stupid trees. Fucking trees and houses in the fucking way. What the fuck? I can't see shit with all these fucking houses and trees. You gotta get me to an open clearing, babe. And then sit there where our luck, a car will come up behind us. Oh. Watch, this road's kind of bumpy too. Oh. Is this open? Whoa, ho, ho, ho. We just had a nice big one. Yeah, sit right here until a car comes up. Oh, and look, I gotta have this fucking thing in the way now. Are you fucking kidding me? I fucking can't win. Then the bowling alley building will be in the fucking way. This is ridiculous. Pull in. Okay. Just stay right here. Don't get too close to those lights. It's hard to see because these fucking lights are in the way. These lights are like blinding the camera screen right now. We need a nice dark open area. Why are you going that way for?
We're trying to go on this side.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this side might be better. Get past this first street light, though. Like right in between these two poles so I can look that way. Okay, that should be good. Wait, keep going. Because this one's in the way now. Okay, right there. Stop. Whoa, we even got light way over here. What the fuck is that in the sky? Y'all see that in the sky? What the fuck is that? Oh, that must be a glimmer off the... That's a glimmer off the fucking wire. These are some bad storms. That's gotta be lightning.
How come it's not?
How come there's no thunder, though? That's gotta be heat lightning.
Where's the bolts?
But still, heat lightning can start fires. It can fucking hit your house, start your house on fire, start trees on fire, you know, forests.
Where's the bolts?
There's bolts. I can see them in there. Every once in a while, you'll see a bolt.
But it's so consistent.
I know.
Like it's not stopping.
It's got to be heat lightning, because like I said, there's no thunder. Let me get out of the truck. Whoa, way over here again, it's lighting up. Whoa. It's almost like it's moving, like it goes this way, and then it goes back this way. And why is it only in one area? It's been in the same area now for over a half an hour and hasn't moved. It's not getting any closer. It's not pushing off this way. It's not pushing this way. It's not going back the way it came. It's just sitting in the same general area with no thunder at all. There's no thunder accumulated with this lightning here. So I don't know if this is heat lightning or if this is some kind of phenomenon, some kind of space event going on in space. This could be caused from some kind of space event, I don't know. Or it could be heat lightning. But that's some crazy ass heat lightning if it is. I've never seen any heat lightning so significant and just keep flashing. It's not stopping, it just keeps going, and it's in the same fucking general area. Where's my... Did you bring cigarettes with you? Or are those mine? Are those mine? Okay, can I get one? You really just take one for yourself?
I was learning it from
Oh, thank you. What? What'd you say? I didn't know. I thought you were lighting it for yourself, babe. Whoa. This thing is not moving. It doesn't smell like rain or nothing in the air. Whoa. What? Bumpity bump bump. That's what my dad used to do. think it's heat lightning either.
Why isn't it just that spot?
I don't know. It's fucking weird. Because it's not moving. It's in the same spot. So I don't think it's heat. And it's not on the other side of the clouds. There's like clouds, and then this shit is coming from up above the clouds. It's fucking nuts. And it's lighting up the whole northern skies. What?
Now it's over here.
It's lighting up even over here. It's starting to light up in the western skies too. The whole northern skies are lighting up like northern lights. There's no thunder at all. Are they end times here? Well, I'm going home to have my last supper. Someone else is pulled over down there videotaping this event. Whoa. Space Wars, people. Space Wars going off. Here, firecrackers going off to the left. Here, firecrackers over this way. Must have some kind of event going on downtown. Get over here. Whoa. I'm surrounded right now by lightning. I'm currently in the middle of a blue patch of sky, surrounded by lightning. As far as the eye can see. That's nuts. It's gotta be heat lightning. Whoa. Holy Jesus. That turned my phone dark. Oh, that drained so much energy from my phone. That's crazy. Whoa.